Hello everyone, welcome to Openlane Demos. Today we're gonna see how Openlane increases the visibility of shipments across third-party logistics. Let's consider an example of supply chain where manufacturer appoints a distributor for distribution of its shipments. Manufacturer uses SAP for all its operations. However, the distributor uses Openlane to manage its order fulfillment process. Distributor further appoints couple of transporters to deliver the shipments on daily basis. Transporters in turn hires truck drivers who are responsible to move the goods from one place to another. Openlane provides apps to distributors, transporters, and truck drivers that are connected with each other securely and seamlessly. As the apps are connected, the shipment updates are shared in real time from bottom to top, that is, driver to transporter to distributor and to manufacturer. As the deliveries are updated faster, the processing of invoices become easier and faster from top to bottom. Now let's jump to the application and see how it works. Okay, we are logging into the distributor application. He gets the dashboard where he can check the basic analytics of his daily operations. He can track and trace the shipments which are GPS shared. He can add the transporters, he can add the vehicles that are tied up with these distributors. There are some transporters who are using Openlane systems that can be connected with Ramdas distributors. Out of this example, Apar Logistics is the one. Distributor gets all the invoices clubbed into one dashboard from the SAP by uploading in bulk or directly integrating with the manufacturer ERP. For instance, let's say these are the two invoices which are ready for the dispatches. The supply chain manager can create dispatch order for these two invoices. He has to click on add. He can see all the list of pending invoices which are yet to be dispatched. He can filter all the pending invoices and plan the dispatch, or else he can select one by one as per his requirement. Here in our example, we are using two invoices to be dispatched. While the dispatch is being created, we are selecting Apar Logistics as a transporter for delivering these two invoices. Once you create and go to the dispatch list, he can see the dispatch list has a send button. And before moving to the send, let's log into the Apar Logistics, that is transporters application. Whenever transporter logs into the application, he also gets the basic dashboard with all the functions related to the transportation. It's a lorry receipt, it might be run sheet, it might be creating invoices, or it can approve the LR request or the shipment request that he has received. Going back to the distributor application. Now the supply chain manager of the distribution can use a send button to send this dispatch report to transporter. Transporter gets an email notification, or he can move to the LR request page to check the recent received shipment request. Here he has received the two LR requests from Ramdas sales. Now he can approve or reject from here. In our case, let's approve both of them and move to the LR or the lorry receipts. You can see the two lorry receipts has been created directly by approving the two requests. The status of each of them will be ready for pickup, and now he can also print the LR or print the lorry receipt and share it with the distributors. As the transporter works for multiple distributors, he has to plan daily run sheets for their daily shipment services. He can check the shipments that needs to be delivered. He can select, or he can move all of them and assign to one particular driver. He can arrange the shipments in the sequence of the deliveries and create the run sheet. Once the run sheet is created, it can be assigned to a particular vehicle which will be driven by a driver. The driver further has to use the mobile app to view the run sheet, and the orders needs to be picked up and delivered. We see the lorry receipts has been updated to the in progress status, And if the distributor wants to check the latest status of the shipment, he can get the latest real-time status that is in progress. Now, as the driver updates the status, as the driver moves to the delivery location, he scans the QR code through the mobile app printed on the LRs and update the EPODs of the deliveries. Meanwhile, for the sake of demo, I am updating it using my mobile app to the delivered, and I am clicking a photo as a EPOD. Now, whenever the transporter wants to check the status, he can go to the LR list and check the status of the shipment that is delivered with the EPOD. Now see the power of Openlane system. Now at the same time, if the distributor wants to check the latest status of the shipment, he don't have to call. He can directly check in the system. He can check the invoice list. He will get the status as delivered along with the proof of delivery uploaded by the driver of the transporter. So this is how we are increasing the visibility of the shipments across the multiple third-party logistics players with securely and safely connecting the applications. Thank you.